Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Friday, February the 28th of 2020. We have two lovely Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. But we will start with the Sudoku Light. Alright. Yes, it's focused. So let's get started. Let's start with the one in the last row, one in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the one should be here. One in the third column, one in the first column. So in the second column, the only place for the one should be here. One in this row, one in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the one should be here or there. But I see here one, so no one there. One should be here. One in this column, one in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the one should be there. One in this column, one in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the one should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, two in this row, two in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the two should be there. Two in this column, two in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the two should be here or there. But I see here two, no two there. Two should be here. Two in this row, two in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the two should be there. Two in the first column, two in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the two must be here. Two in this row, two in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the two should be here. And all the tools are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Can we do that with the 4? I believe yes. Yes. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in this column, the only three places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of them numbers is a 4. I see here a 4. So no 4 in these two boxes. I see there are 4. No 4 in this box. One box remains for the 4 should be this one. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see which number I can use. Yes. The 3 in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here a 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I have a 3 there, so no 3 in these two boxes. I see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 3 should be this one. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then we go to the number 5, because we have used 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 5 must be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for the 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 must be here. And all the 5s are used. Hey! Mistake. Double 5 in a row. We have a 5 there. This cannot be a 5. What a mistake. Alright. We have a 5. So this cannot be a 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. I have used all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, so this is not a 5. This must be a 5. We go to the 6 then. Can we do with the 6? Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here a 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. Only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 must be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, now the 7s. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 8, we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 8, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, we have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 1 missing number of this big square. For the number 9, one missing number of this big square for the number 8, one missing number of this big square for the number 8, one missing number of the last column for the number 9, two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes here. One missing number in this row for the number 8. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final mistake, the final number that I put the 5 here was a 7. 7 must be there. Finish in 11 minutes exactly. Alright. Thumbs up if you like it, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Again, thank you for watching. I see you later with the Sudoku Heavy. Bye bye.